Hey guys, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. I am Jess, this is Greg. We've got Lupe hanging out over here. You can't see her. We've been camping for the last couple days up in the Rio Grande National Forest, and it's been hot, so we are going to take this Isle stand-up paddleboard out onto the lake. This was sent to us to try out for free, and we used to have hard-sided paddleboards. This is an inflatable one, so we're going to set it up and see how it goes. So what's in the bag? We got
a pump.
A manual pump, right?
Yeah, I was gonna open it just in case.
But they do sell electric pumps.
Yeah, there's a manual pump, which we were gonna cheat because Shannon actually has an electric pump with her to make it faster. And came with a dry bag. There's a kayak seat.
Yeah.
There is
a footrest
for the kayak. And then there is a leash. So, and then there were two separate paddles.
Yeah, two kinds of paddles. One that could be adapted for kayaking, and then obviously a taller one for stand-up paddling. So we're gonna get this all set up and ready to go and get our PFDs out of the bins and have some time on the water.
Got it. Got it? Fire her up. Okay.
Adjustable, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice. How do you know how tall to make it?
Well, when you're standing,
yeah,
you can go up to your palm.
Right.
Or you just look at the back. 6'2". Looks like I did it right.
That's handy.
Okay, we're gonna go over some features. We got the 9-inch touring fin. We'll put it on in a minute. These straps are adjustable, so you can put your stuff in and lock it down. Came with a kayak seat, inflatable for your butt, and you would just strap this in place along these edges and tighten it. And then this is the footrest for the kayaking. So you just pick your spot, set it up, inflate that. We're not kayaking today, so we're not gonna use that. Looks like there's a paddle holder on the side here. You got some handles, and then your GoPro threaded fitting. So it's getting windy, so we're just gonna take it out, see if we go swimming. The white cap start out, huh? Gotta watch out for that fish. Let's take a quick second to talk about this video's sponsor. It is Epic Water Filters. They are out of Boulder, Colorado. They make Nalgene's with everywhere water filters that you can replace without throwing away the plastic. Does over 550 single-use bottles. They've got countertop water filters. They have in-fridge pitchers to keep it cold, and a new under-sink water filter that does over 5,000 single-use bottles. Use code DRIFTERJOURNEY for 20% off, and check out the link for the website below.
Oh dear. How was it?
Nailed it. It It was good, except for me going straight for the fisherman at first.
Well, yeah. But do you feel like you could go further if you wanted to? Fisherman got a fish.
Fish on. Where he's stuck on the bottom.
No, we
now
got
he's
one.
Fish on.
Fishy.
Monster, he says. I can't tell how deep that one is.
I think it's fine.
Yeah.
Well,
Lupe, you want to go out there for a minute?
who wants to give it a try?
Lupe, you want to go out there?
It's Lupe.
Yeah, go get her. Go get her. Get on. Oh, get on. Good girl. I mean, I don't foresee her jumping in. Turn the other way. Oh, no, she's good now. You want to come back? Nice dismount, girl.
That is kind of convenient.
Yeah.
That paddle holder.
Yeah.
Okay guys, short, quick demonstration because it is windy and choppy. Hopefully we'll get out on the water on a more calm day, but that's just a little easy, you know, show you what they're like. That's the Pioneer 3 paddleboard from Isle Sups, and we'll put a link for the product in the description of the video.